Yeah, so welcome all of you to this one of the most powerful programs of LMI, which is Attitude is Everything. And yes, the name is very powerful. The title is very powerful because yes, that is the truth. And we'll expand onto that today. That why attitude is everything. So let me share the screen with all of you. And it will be more of an interactive session today. We'll try to have a lot of interaction from all of you. Though first session of this program is mainly conceptual because I'll be sharing the important concepts and it might look sometimes monologue, but जो आगे जो sessions होते हैं it's more interactive. It's more of the experiential sharing and the sharing of the application of the assignments which you do. Yeah, in the first session, it's more about the concept sharing, and of course, we'll have interactions as per your inputs also. So I would like to start by asking this question, which is, do you want to reach your peak efficiency? Do you want to reach your peak efficiency? You can type on the chat also, or you can speak as you wish. Yes, Satinder ji.
Yes, sir. Definitely, I want to reach our peak efficiency. Actually, people cannot reach the peak efficiency because कोशिश कर सकता है आदमी जाने के लिए ऊपर, बट क्योंकि सक्सेस इज ए प्रोसेस है, नॉट ए अचीवमेंट. तो हमने एक जब भी हम थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं तो हमारा जो गोल है और बड़ा हो जाता है. तो धीरे धीरे वो प्रोसेस, जैसे कहते हैं कि रीचिंग द गोल एंड अचीविंग द गोल, तो एक गोल हमेशा रह जाएगा. जब आदमी यहाँ से चला जाएगा दुनिया से, तो अपना गोल जो है, एक गोल उसको हमेशा माइनस रह जाएगा बैलेंस में. तो अगर ये प्रोसेस शुरू करना, लाइफ इज ए अचीविंग द गोल एंड रीसेटिंग द गोल, इस तरह से एक प्रोसेस है.
Yes, nice sharing. So this is an important question to ask to ourselves, that do we have that desire to improve our efficiency? Do we have that hunger to improve our effectiveness? Do we have that kind of zeal to reach our peak efficiencies? So if you say, if you are yes to these questions, then type on the chat box yes. And I welcome all the other participants who have just joined. Ashok ji, I welcome to you. Dr. Priyal, I also welcome to you. Yes, Achal ji, you were saying, asking something?
No.
Okay. So I assume that all of you want to reach your peak efficiency. Now, are you 100% committed to that? Are you 100% committed to enhance your efficiency? Type yes on the chat box. Type yes on the chat box. All of you can type yes. So can I have your undivided attention? Can I have your undivided attention here? Can I have your mobile off or your other browsers off? Just keep this browser so that you pay your 100% attention. Because online में क्या distractions बढ़ गई है. Because some messages come up or some mails come up and we tend to check some other browsers parallelly. But right now this next 1 hour or 1.5 hours is very, very important for our life. So that's why let's close all the other browsers and have this commitment, which is that you will be interacting whenever there is a question to you, you will be replying that. So, and don't worry, everyone in this room is right. You are right as per your own perspective. So nobody is here to judge, and you are right as per your own perspective. So let me now share the slide with you. Let's start sharing the important slides so that you can also see visually. So this is the attitude is everything, because your dream, your goal, your life actually depends on it. That is your attitude. So let me welcome all of you. I am the director of LMI and BizWiz Learning. So I'll be first introducing myself and then I'll seek your brief introductions, because there are 5-6 people only. So we can have brief introductions in terms of a quick introduction, or we can, let's see how many people have joined. Otherwise, we might have the time scarcity. Yeah, you can type your introduction on the chat if you want. So I'll just introduce myself and then you can type your introductions, because otherwise it can take a lot of time. Already 7-8 people are there. So I'll be sharing my introduction here, which is I am the founder director of BizWiz Learning. It's an online management coaching platform, and my passion is to empower human potential. And then we need to also discuss about the hobbies and areas of interest. So I am sharing my hobby, which is equity research and spiritualism. I am also mentor to IIM Ahmedabad. My dream is to empower 5 million people in next 5 years. So that is my dream. So in the same way, you can also frame your introduction and type on the chat box, or if you want to speak, you can speak also as per your discretion. Yeah. So let's move forward. Now coming to LMI, because this program, the material and the pedagogy that we are having, it's LMI program. So we need to understand what is LMI and how important LMI material and process is. So let's understand in a brief manner, which is it is right now present in 85 countries, and most of the people have done our transformational programs. In fact, in 85 countries, many people have done, including 4.1 million people have done our programs. And the major aspect of our program is to change the personal and professional lives. And these people have been benefited exponentially, including me. When I did this program, and I have been benefited exponentially, which has really transformed not only my professional life, but my personal life. That is the power of this program. And nowadays, as we were discussing in the first session, previous session to this session, that the programs are now online. So it is becoming more convenient, because logistically we don't waste any time and we can get the best out of it. So our team is at 21 locations, but now most of the program is online. Yeah. So what does LMI do? We help people to do what they aspire for, what they dream of, to unleash their potential and to make them more successful. The idea is to develop leaders and organizations to their full potential. So that is the mission of LMI. Now let us come to the today's topic, which is about, let me ask you one question here, which is, do you have a potential to achieve more than what are you achieving today? Do you have a potential to achieve more than what are you achieving today? Yes or no? Do you have the potential to achieve more than what are you achieving today?
Yes.
What about the rest? You can type on the chat also. Yeah, Ashok ji is saying yes. What about the others? Do you have the potential to achieve more what you are achieving today? And what percentage of potential are you using today? What percentage of potential are you using today? Let's understand from you what percentage of potential you are using today. Is it 5%, 1%? Okay, Achalji is saying 25%. What about the rest? Please keep on coming. Let's have more interaction so that we get the best out of this session. अगर टाइपिंग में आपको लगता है तो you can speak also. That's not an issue. Either you can type or you can speak it out. Yeah. Less than 1%. Okay. Thanks for your sharing. Yeah, Albert Einstein has also said that he has used only 10% of his potential. So each one of us are using fraction of the potential. So what in me is stopping me using the potential? What in me is stopping me in using the potential? Anybody? क्या चीज हमें अपने पोटेंशियल को स्टॉप कर रही है यूज करने में? Any thoughts on to that? What in me is stopping me to use our potential? Mindset, lack of resources. Yes. Thank you, Dr. Priyal, for sharing. So mindset is a very important point that you have shared. Sometimes lack of resources also. Further, self-belief. Yes. Self-belief. Ashokji, thank you. So further, let's see our lack of action. Yes, our lack of actions. So Achalji is saying no motivation or lack of action. Yes. So further, we can also understand that there are three factors. If I want to categorize, there are three factors which is stopping us to achieve our potential or realize our potential. One is our own thoughts. So each one of us have capability of thoughts. We have our own flow of thoughts, and it has helped me to grow. But now it is same thought process, same thinking is not allowing me to grow because we are in that comfort zone. Second is each one of us are having our own behavioral and action pattern. The way we manage our studies, way we manage our business, way we manage our office. So we have got our own unique behavioral pattern. So the same behavioral pattern is not allowing me to grow. And the third is each one of us are having own habits. Some habits are very good, but some habits are not so good. So these habits are not allowing me to grow. So there are three things. Either the way of our thinking is stopping us, or the way we do the things, or our habits that is stopping us. Do you agree with that? Either the way we think, either the way how we do our behavior, or our habits. These are stopping us. Do you agree with it? Okay, thank you, Satyendra ji. He's saying yes. So people keep on coming, keep on putting your response. And who can understand you best? Let me ask you another thing. Who can understand you best? Who can understand you best? Who can lead you best? So as in the slide, it is showing it is I who can lead me best. It is you who can lead you best. Because you know yourself in a better manner. You know your challenges. You know your dreams. You know your goals. At LMI, we have the practical application process, which helps in getting the best out of you, which helps in getting the best out of your attitude, best out of your potential. So we are having this kind of practical application process because there are two things that we have discussed. One, that it is our own attitude, belief, actions, and our habits, which is putting constraints on our potential. And the second thing that we have discussed is that it is me who can lead my life in a best possible manner. So here we need to identify the factors that how can we get the best out of myself. And that is where our programs help in. That's why this is the first session of this program, which is attitude is everything. Let us expand it further. We will expand next 45 minutes to 1 hour. We'll expand on it. Let us see a video. This video will also highlight certain aspects of what we were discussing. तो मैं आपको एक वीडियो दिखाता हूँ. So I'll just share the screen. So I share the screen with the audio now. Yeah.
Kid, every time I'm pulling out, he's right there. Man, someone needs to talk to his parents if they're ever at home. What is up with the traffic today? Always, every day, this intersection's always crowded. I hate pulling out of here. Maybe some of these dumb roads. Oh, there's. Okay, so I'm not even here. Right. Great lady. The princess of parking. Oh, sure. Take the spot. Way to be considerate. Oh, you kidding me? Unbelievable. Oh.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great
Ugh.
day.
So this person was facing, firstly, the traffic problem. He got stuck. He just avoided an accident, and then he got late, and he was actually in the queue for 5 minutes. So he's cribbing about it. Let's see further.
About time. Let's see, what do I want?
Yeah, could I add a cookie to that order? Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, no problem, only guy in the world. I'm sure you need your cookie. The world, your oyster, and he's serving your cookie.
Thank you so much. What can I get for you?
Yeah, I'll tall decaf macchiato.
Yeah, sure, no problem. $3.85. And it might take a few minutes here. We've got quite a line, obviously, and thanks for your patience.
Great. Yeah, great. Great for me. Winning again. Unbelievable. What? What?
So now he's getting this magical lens. Let's see.
What is that? What in the world? Oh, what? What am I supposed to do? How can I do anything about that? Can I even help with that? I don't.
Your coffee, sir.
Oh. I can't take this anymore. I gotta get out of here.
Hey, what?
Sorry, so sorry.
Hey, buddy, come here.
Yeah, so we have seen this thing in the video that you can lead yourself better. And what is stopping you to see from that another lens? What is the thing which is stopping you to see from that another lens? So, yes.
इसमें होता क्या है कि जैसे किसी हमारा खुद का जो प्रॉब्लम है, अभी उसने जब उसको दूसरे प्रॉब्लम देखने वाला एक लेंस दे दिया गया, तो उसने क्या किया कि उसका खुद का प्रॉब्लम छोटा लगने लगा, इवन दूसरों की प्रॉब्लम उसे ज्यादा बड़ी लगने लगी कि हाँ ये ज्यादा, इसलिए उनको प्रॉब्लम था, इसलिए उन्हें तो जाके उस बंदे बच्चे को किसी का केयर करने का जरूरत था तो उसने उसको मिले, ठीक है, किसी को डबल जॉब कर रहे थे तो उसको जाके मिले। तो ये उसने जब देखा तो उसे बाद में रियलाइज हुआ कि नहीं नहीं, दुनिया में इससे भी ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे से भी ज्यादा बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं लोगों के पास में। तो फिर वो उसको बाद में वो नॉर्मल होगा, नहीं तो उसको इरिटेशन आ रहा था।
Yes, so you can lead yourself in a better manner. And
Yes.
further, each one of us are enjoying the level of success. Each one of us are enjoying level of success, and we are successful. Now this is a journey to become better. So how can we become better, or how can we become more effective? We need to understand this chain, the chain, success chain, which is there in front of you. So what has decided your level of success? What decides your level of success? What do you think? What decides your level of success? Can you speak or type on the chat? What decides your level of success?
Our satisfaction. If we are satisfied, then we are successful. If we are not satisfied, we are unsuccessful.
Yes.
And what is our expectation? If we are able to fulfill our expectation, then we are successful. Suppose I want to become on a certain position. If I reach there, I am successful. If I don't reach, I am not successful. I want to buy a flat. If I have purchased it, I am successful. I want to get my son educated in foreign. If I got it, I am successful.
Yes.
There is no one
Yes.
criteria. Of
Yes. That's why each one of us are enjoying our level of success.
Yes.
The success that we want in our life.
Yes.
And कोई बच्चा है, मान लो वो 10th से 11th में जाता है, तो वो कैसे जाता है? कैसे जाता है 10th से 11th
by passing the exam of 10th?
Yes, by passing. उसका रिजल्ट जो है पॉजिटिव आता है. Result positive आता है तो we say that person is successful, that student is successful. Same way, results, we get better results, we get positive results, our success is more, our success is higher, and result can be in terms of any area that we define for ourselves.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely. And what does determine our results? What determines our results?
Our expectation,
our actions, our behavior. Our actions, our behavior determines our results. It is how we work towards the results. It is how we are committed towards that result. कितना हम उसको action कर पा रहे हैं result का, the thing that we are committed to ourselves.
action, what we called in पुरुषार्थ.
Yes, हिंदी में हम उसको पुरुषार्थ कहते हैं. हमारा जो कार्य ही हमारे परिणाम को बताता है, और हमारा परिणाम ही हमारी सफलता को जो है वो बताता है. So that's why now coming back to the action point, what causes our actions? What causes our actions? What is the trigger for our actions?
Actually, there should be some motivation. Generally, we are sitting. I am sitting from since morning. I am doing nothing. How I can get the success? How I can get the results? If we take action.
Yes.
But for taking the action, sometimes the motivation is missing.
Yes.
Suppose I know I am lagging behind, but sometimes I am okay, चल रहा है यार, क्या जरूरत?
Yes. जो casual thinking आ जाती है, चलता है, attitude आ जाता है.
Comfort level, as you well said.
Yes.
तो comfort level है, हम बैठे रहते हैं. अब मैंने ये प्रोग्राम क्यों ज्वाइन किया? मुझे लगा यार मैं comfort zone में बैठा हुआ हूँ, कुछ कर तो रहा नहीं हूँ. तो कल को कहीं ना कहीं मेरे नीचे से कुछ निकल जाएगा, मुझे पता भी नहीं चलेगा. और जो क्योंकि everything cannot be, you can't get anything without your results or पुरुषार्थ or action, attitude.
So action is dependent on our attitude.
Yes,
attitude sir. अगर हमारा casual होता है तो हमें वैसे ही रिजल्ट मिलता है. और यही हम लोग उसी दौरान अगर हम सोच लेते हैं, नहीं, I have to do this thing, I have to be positive, I will be taking proactive actions, ये attitude आ जाता है mind में, तो we get better results. That's why what is attitude? It is habit of our thinking, the habit that we create in our mind, and the things that we repeat in our mind again and again, that frames our attitude, which is again dependent on our conditioning. चलो एक हम सिंपल एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, एक और एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे लेते हैं. सो व्हाट कम्स इनटू योर माइंड व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ दिस वर्ड कोक? कोक, मारुति, सर्फ, ये तीनों चीजें अगर हम माइंड में अलग अलग बोलते हैं तो क्या चीजें आती हैं?
कोक में सर दो चीजें हैं. एक तो सटल कोक है, एक जो कोका कोला हम पीते हैं एकदम से तो दो ही आती हैं, हो सकता है कोई नई चीज भी हो। मारुति सुनेंगे तो एक बार को कार आएगी।
Yes.
एंड व्हाट यू सेड थर्ड?
Surf.
सर्फ।
SURF. Surf.
सर्फ में नेट सर्फिंग भी आएगा और एक सर्फ वॉशिंग पाउडर आएगा।
यस, तो ये सबका ही ये जनरली ऑब्जर्वेशन रहता है, बिकॉज दीज ब्रांड्स हैव एडवर्टाइज सो मच
Yes,
that
sir.
it has become space repetitive in our mind, and rather than knowing about the meaning of that word, we start thinking about a brand. It's not fault of ours, it is because of the space repetition. Because coke क्या है असल में? coke is charcoal powder.
Yes,
कोक
sir.
इज चारकोल पाउडर। और मारुति, हम भगवान हनुमान जी का भी एक दूसरा नाम है मारुति।
Yeah, yeah.
लेकिन अगर मैं अभी
मारुति
किस
नंदन।
हाँ, अगर मैं किसी बच्चे को भी पूछता हूँ कि भाई मारुति क्या है, तो वो तो कार ही कहेगा, बिकॉज उसके माइंड में छप गया है। तो ये चीजें हैं। सर्फ अगर मैं किसी भी वुमेन को पूछूं या किसी भी मैन को भी, तो वो डिटर्जेंट ही दिमाग में आता है। बट अल्टीमेटली सर्फ इज ऑल्सो क्रेस्ट ऑफ वेव, पर वो चीज दिमाग में नहीं आएगी। दिस इज नथिंग बट कंडीशनिंग। ये
Yes, sir.
कंडीशनिंग हो जाता है। स्पेस रिपीटेटिव exposures towards the information creates conditioning. So that's why it's written space repetition. I hope this is clear. This chain is clear to us. Okay, let's move forward. Let us understand. That's why it has been said attitude is everything, because ultimately it is the attitude which determines our actions, which determines our success. तो इसको और सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, थोड़ा एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं। यू आर सीइंग दिस एलिफेंट ऑन द स्क्रीन। ये एलिफेंट आप देख रहे हैं स्क्रीन में। नाउ व्हाट काइंड
Yes,
ऑफ
sir.
वेट दिस एलिफेंट कैन break? What kind of weight this elephant can break? Anybody? How much weight it can break?
It depends वो क्या चीज है। लोहा है तो नहीं ब्रेक कर पाएगा, पत्थर है, कुछ कच्चा मिट्टी है, कुछ है तो उसको ये ब्रेक कर सकता है।
And how much elephant can lift? How much weight elephant can lift?
Say 10 quintals.
So it's huge.
Yeah,
You can
huge.
say it's a huge amount
Yeah.
of weight it can lift.
Yeah,
And it has got huge strength.
yeah.
But when we go into the circus
Yes, sir.
and when we see elephant tied in that chain with a very small feeble chain, why does that happen? Why it is unable to crush that chain? So it is very very intelligent also. It has got strength also, and it has got capacity to uplift lot of things, to lift lot of weight. Why it's unable to unshackle that chain?
Because from the very beginning, from its childhood, he is tied with the chain, and he tried in the beginning. He couldn't succeed, so he have never tried it again.
Absolutely. This is also picture. You can see the picture on the screen, and yeah,
Yeah.
Dr.
That is the mind blockage we can say.
Mind blockage. गाय का बच्चा होता है, उसको एक रस्सी से बांध देते हैं, उसको पता है बस ये तेरी जगह है।
Yeah,
वो
Dr.
फिर
Priyal,
उसको-
he is also saying conditioning. Absolutely.
Yeah.
तो यही हमारे माइंड में भी आ जाता है। एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, आवर हैबिट्स आर आल्सो कंडीशनड by our mind, by our repeated exposure. Now we need to unshackle those negative chains, negative habits that we are having, which is restricting our potential. That's why we need to change our attitude.
Actually, we know this, but we don't think how to tackle these things. We know everything.
Absolutely. That's why this kind of process will help all of us, which is being discussed in this program. We have this practical application process where you would be able to change your attitude, positive attitude, to the results that you want to achieve, to the dreams that you want to realize in your life. Because we all know things, but the challenge is, it is the implementation, it is the application. Therein our process comes. That process will be handy for you. But let's understand the concepts today, and further on you will be applying the process in the coming weeks. So that's why it is being said here that our this is the only thing we do, which is the practical application process, and which is the very powerful, because this will help you not only to manage your attitudes, but also it will lead to management of your time, goals and people, which will lead to huge success. So this is the thing that we have discussed initially. So what is the success formula? If I want to recap the success formula, these three areas are very important. That is, we need to use positive ideas with spaced repetition. We need to use positive ideas with spaced repetition. This is the area that we need to focus on, which will create new conditioning. If we start new ideas and we use it repeatedly, it will create new conditioning, and this new conditioning will build new and positive attitudes. Whether past we are having attitudes of procrastination, or attitude which is lack of abundance, or attitudes of negativities, all these attitudes are constraining ourselves. So we will actually change this with new ideas with spaced repetition, and with new conditioning will have positive thoughts. Positive attitudes will lead to focused actions, superior results and greater success. So this is the success formula that we need to use in our life, and this program will help you to apply this formula. Moreover, we all know that to transform ourselves, knowledge is important. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, we know that knowledge is important, and if you go to any university, any school, any course that you would provide, most of the programs have got huge knowledge. Most of the programs focus on giving best of the knowledge. But then further importance is that you need a mechanism. You need a mechanism to retain that knowledge. To retain that knowledge, because without retention, will not be able to use that. So the retention part is very important. And then we also need to know how to apply the knowledge in specific situations. How to apply the knowledge in specific situations. Let me give you an example. Lot of business owners, they are not graduates. Lot of top professionals might be having lot of education, but then many business owners might not have graduation. Still they are very successful. Still they have achieved a lot in their business, in their personal life, because they have applied their knowledge in a better manner. I am not saying we should not go for education. That is not the thing that I want to say here. The point here is, how are we applying our education? How are we applying our knowledge? Because then the results will follow. Then the results will follow. The last thing is about results naturally follow if we are able to apply what we have retained. Let me ask you a question here. A question which will simplify this situation. The question is, can you learn swimming by seeing YouTube videos?
No.
No.
Yeah, we can't learn swimming by seeing YouTube videos. And how we learn swimming?
We have to go into the water.
Yeah, we have to go into water, and first 7 days, 10 days, we might have a lot of challenges.
Yes, sir.
We might be practicing a lot. We might be struggling a lot. Isn't it?
Yes.
So, and then we are able to practice more. We are able to have that more confidence, and further will be successful in swimming. In the same way, we need to change our habits and attitudes. Same way, the same mechanism we would be using in this program, which will be able, you will be getting this technology, the technology to change your attitude, technology to change your habits, technology to have better results, because our program concentrates in these two areas, which is retention and application. Are you understanding this point? Retention and application leads to transformation. That will lead to our transformation. I'll share my story here. initially as a baby, I struggled to survive because I had a premature birth actually. Until age 5, I didn't have the salt because I was suffering from severe disease. And in class 9th, I failed in math exam. Today I am sustainable coach. I am the growth coach. I consult many companies. But in 9th class, I failed in math exam. And in initial years of my career, I struggled. Like I started my new business in 2002. In first 2-3 years, I had a lot of struggles. I struggled in terms of liquidity. But then I started realizing my shortcomings. I started identifying my weak links, and one of them was my attitude, my lack of prioritization, my procrastinating attitude. I was unable to do planning in a better manner. So when I started working onto myself, I started working onto my attitudes. That led to the success. And today I am enjoying my financial freedom and I am pursuing what I love, which is empowering human potential. And as an organization and personally also, I have coached many companies, many colleges, many premier institutions, which is there in front of you. So this transformation, when a simple person like me can do, all of you can do much more because all of us are unique. And this process that we are discussing will be helping you in implementing, will lead you to greater success. So are you excited to know about the further process?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now let's discuss about the things that we cherish, which is the dreams. How important is it for you to achieve your dreams? How important is it for you to achieve what you want in your life? I think it is very important.
Yes.
And which are the most important dreams you have? You can write down parallelly on a notepad also. देखिए अभी आप पैरेलली नोटपैड पे भी लिख सकते हैं या किसी डायरी में लिख सकते हैं साइड बाय साइड so that you have this with you. I'll be sharing the recording of this webinar also. मैं इसकी recording सबके email पे share भी करूँगा so
Yes,
that
sir.
you can go through this again. Yeah, I'll share the recording. So let me come back. Which are the most important dreams you have? And are you on track? The important question that we need to ask ourselves is that are you on track for the dreams that you are having? So some of them you might be on track, some of them you might be lagging behind, some of them you might not have started. So that's why we need to ask ourselves, are you pursuing your dreams as much as you should?
No.
Yes, okay. And how important is your mindset to get you to your dreams? How important is your mindset to get you to your dreams? Yes. How important is your mindset to get you to your dreams? How important is your attitude to get you to your dreams? Is it very important? Let me see the chat box. एक बार chat box देखता हूँ मैं. Yeah. So as we discussed, it's very important. Our mindset is very important. So I will request all of you to share your videos because that will make the things more lively. आप audio mute कर सकते हैं, that's okay. But let's share your videos so that we all can see each other and also we can be more energetic. Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot. Because attitude is contagious. अगर हम लोग एक दूसरे को देखते हैं, एनर्जी जो है वो फ्लो होती है और आपस में we can learn a lot from each other. Because this is a forum where we are learning from each other. Yes, thank you. So let me discuss the next slide with you. Very important topic that we are discussing. Now, coming to the topic of goals. Are dreams and goals same? When we smarten our dreams, then it becomes goals. Goals need to be smart. Any guesses what are smart goals? What do you mean by smart goals? Anybody who can help? Yeah, Satinder ji, what do you mean by smart goals? You can type also. Anybody can type or speak as you wish. And how does smart goals, what is the importance of smart goals? Okay, so let's discuss about SMART goals. SMART is nothing but specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, tangible. So specific means we need to be clear what we want to achieve, when we want to achieve, how we want to achieve that particular goal. Then measurable is how much. Suppose we want to be more fit, then we need to have that specific goal. What we want to achieve next 6 months, what weight we want to have, how we want to have, how much we want to do, say, exercises, how much we want to do the dieting part and other things to achieve our goal of fitness or being fit, that dream that we are having. Then attainable, the resources need to be there so that we attain the goals. We need to arrange that kind of resources. And realistic is being practical. And tangible, we need to have milestones. So of course your 6-month goal is far, but then we can break down that 6 months into monthly, further into weekly, further into daily, because your daily action will lead to weekly results. Your weekly results will lead to monthly results. Monthly results will lead to long-term goals and will lead to accomplishment of your dreams. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
And if you have any queries, please ask me also in between. That's fine. And if you see this slide, these goals are not just for personal purposes or not just for professional purposes. It is for all the aspects of our life, whether it is mental, whether it is educational, whether it is social, spiritual, financial, family, all the aspects of our life should be covered, whether it is physical and health also. So that's very, very important to have dreams in all the aspects, to cherish those dreams, because most of the times we have a lot of dreams in our childhood, but we have crushed those dreams because of our conditioning. We believe that we can't achieve, so हमने सपने लेने ही छोड़ दिए, goals तो छोड़ ही दो, goals तो आगे की बात होती है. So let's move back to that mindset of dreaming, that mindset of aspiring for what we want in our life. And you will define your aspirations. Nobody else can define your aspirations in a better manner, because you know yourself. You know what you want in your life. Just remember your childhood. And let's have again written dreams in our life. Let's write the dreams. Let's start writing it down and then break it down into goals. Because in coming sessions, we will be giving you a lot of tools to explore and to apply what we are discussing today. Yes, today it's more of a monologue. थोड़ा सा आज आपको burdensome भी लग सकता है, because I am just going on and on. But then today we are discussing the concepts so that you can understand, and from the coming sessions you will be applying. We'll be giving you the login access, tools, etc. Those who are joining, they will be getting within a week's time all these material, and then they will be started applying. So the step number 1 is write down your dreams don't limit yourself, have that mindset. Let's see this video. This video will also help us to enlighten us, to have that kind of enlightenment in our mind. Very powerful video. Let me share this video. मैं एक बार वीडियो को ऑन कर लेता हूँ, फिर I will share the screen. Yeah. Yeah, so now I will share the screen with the audio. I'll just stop my video because कई बार bandwidth की problem आ जाती है, तो मैं अभी screen पे video दिखाता हूँ. Yeah.
The most important and crucial period of your lives, for what you do now and what you decide now at this age may well determine which way your life shall go.
So are you able to see and listen?
Yes.
Thank you.
And the question is whether you have a proper, a solid, and a sound blueprint. And I want to suggest some of the things that should be in your life's blueprint. Number one, in your life's blueprint should be a deep belief in your own dignity, your own worth, and your own somebodyness. Don't allow anybody to make you feel that you are nobody. Always feel that you count. Always feel that you have worth. And always feel that your life has ultimate significance. Secondly, in your life's blueprint, you must have, as a basic principle, the determination to achieve excellence in your various fields of endeavor. You're going to be deciding as the days and the years unfold what you will do in life, what your life's work will be. Once you discover what it will be, set out to do it, and to do it well. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a highway, just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. For it isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Finally, in your life's blueprint must be a commitment to the eternal principles of beauty, love, and justice. Well, life for none of us has been a crystal staff, but we must keep moving. We must keep going. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl, but by all means, keep moving.
So very powerful message. The points that we were discussing earlier. So we can have two modes, dreaming mode and goals mode. But still, why we don't have dreams most of the times? Because they have crash landed as an elephant. We are in that negative conditioning. So now let's unshackle ourselves. And as said in the video, let's have belief in ourselves. Okay, so let's see the next slide. And then this is another powerful thing that we need to understand, that 1%, that's why it was written do 1%, 100% and blueprint. When I was sharing my story, that 1% improvement every day can lead to 300% improvement in a year. And practically speaking, Rome is not built in a day, but then we need to consistently improve. We need to have that kind of attitude. That's why we say attitude is everything. And that provides slight edge. Can you see this picture? How much is the difference between the winner and the second one? This horse race, कितना फर्क है?
बस point of fraction का फर्क है.
Yeah, it's just the fraction. But then winners take all the way. When the prize money difference is huge, it may be 5 times, 10 times. So difference in effort is minuscule, बहुत कम है. But then difference in result is huge.
Huge.
So that is the slight edge that we need to strive in ourselves of improving ourselves. And our program, and specifically this program, will help you in achieving that slight edge. Many of our participants have done that consistently. Can we imbibe these 3 characteristics? Yes, we all can imbibe.
Yeah,
First,
definitely.
yes, first is positive attitude. Attitude of converting crisis into opportunities. From shifting from I can to I can. From shifting to self-doubt to positive expectancy. That is the positive attitude. Second is self-motivated. We are winding our clock ourselves. We are guided by our dreams. We are guided by goals. Most of the time we think that we are doing work for others. And then we lack that enthusiasm that we need to have. Now we need to change this mindset. That is, whatever we will do, I am deciding it. Because I am doing as per my dreams. I am doing what I want in our life. That is the self-motivational aspect. And this is, mind you, this is just the start today. We'll help you in applying this in the coming 2 months time period. And then the goal-directed action. So of course, the goal planning system, which we will provide to you, which will help you in doing focused actions, actions which are guided by your SMART goals. That's why we all have heard about Pareto principle, 80-20 principle.
Yes, sir.
So 20% action leads to 80% results.
Yes,
But let's change this now. Why not to expand the 20%? उस 20% को भी हम expand कर सकते हैं 40-50%. उसको expand करते ही we'll get double the results. We'll get more results in less time. If we cut down the non-value added 80% को we cut down to 40-30% gradually, then of course we do less and gain more. By doing less, you can gain more. So that is the belief that we need to have focused actions. So all these are the attributes of the successful people. Let's move forward. Would having a more positive attitude help you get there? Would having a more positive attitude would help you get there? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, great. Do some of our attitudes restrict ourselves? Yes or no? Yes, as we have discussed, yes, it is restricting ourselves. Then we need to ask ourselves, are we problem-centric or solution-centric? So
We should be
now,
problem-centric.
yes, we need,
Solution-centric.
yes, we need to now shift from problem-centric to solution-centric. And of course, the practical application process that you will be learning will help you in achieving this. Not only theoretically, but you will be applying it. And will your current mindset get you where you want to be? Yes, it can, if it is backed by these characteristics. जब हम attitude की बात करते हैं, let's go in depth now. Attitude of positive expectancy that we discussed. Then using the law of attraction, what we start seeing, we start getting. Like I'll give an example here. Example of Saina Nehwal. She is the first woman, Indian woman, to win the Olympics medal in badminton in 2008. First Indian woman. At age 8, she visualized herself to be a Olympics winner. She took a fake photograph, and then she started practicing a lot, and she has achieved what she wants to achieve. And have we heard of this person, Sudha Chandran? Sudha Chandran?
Yes.
So she had this disability, we all know, but she had that willpower and that kind of imagination of dancing, even though her leg was crushed
She's
in an
running one
accident.
leg.
Yes, she had that accident, and then she substituted with artificial limbs and leg. And now you can see she has used her power of attraction to achieve her dreams. And then third aspect is law of abundance, having the growth mindset. Third aspect of attitude which we will work on is abundance attitude, abundance mindset. Vasudevasya Kutumbakam. We all know in our Vedic, in our Vedas, it's written Vasudevasya Kutumbakam. That is the law of abundance that we will be discussing more. And then have a higher self-belief. It is your belief which will make the difference. And then persistence. जैसे अभी की situation में many companies have to show persistence. Many industries have to show persistence. Because of these uncertain situations, unforeseen circumstance which has happened. Companies like retail, companies which are into movie, companies which are into entertainment, travel, all these are facing headwinds. So abhi kya hai? Never say die attitude has to be, that kind of attitude has to be inculcated and utilized. Many athletes have shown that. कई athletes ऐसे थे जो injured हो गए and they came back and they performed really well. Many examples. Jasprit Bumrah, he got injured few months and then he came back. He performed exceedingly in the next series. Work smart, not just work hard. We always think that we need to work hard. Yeah, of course, working hard is important, but more important is, can we have that focused actions? As we discussed in the last slide, focused actions will lead to better results, and that is smart work. So smart goals are not just sufficient. We need to have smart actions. Do you agree with it?
Yes,
We
sir.
need to have smart actions. And what is the benefit which you will derive if you have smart actions? क्या benefit होंगे उससे?
Result आएगा.
Result आएगा?
यस टाइम ट्रैक पे रहेंगे और ट्रैक से बाहर नहीं जाएंगे. जैसे क्या कि टाइम बाउंड के अंदर हम कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं गोल को.
Yes, very important point. कि time bound, we will be able to complete our goal. So these are the important attitudinal traits that we need to work on. And what attitudes do you think you will need to get your dreams done? So some examples of top attitude. Some examples: belief, willingness to do, confidence in myself, visualizing my success, deep belief in my success, positive frame of mind, I am focused, I work with joy, have a winning attitude, I attract success by my attitude. So can you choose one of this attitude today and repeat yourself every day? Which attitude you want to choose today for 1 week, which you will repeat for yourself? एक स्टेटमेंट मेरे को बताएंगे आप लोग अपना अपना जो आपको अच्छा लगा है इसमें. सारे ही अच्छे हैं, पर चूज वन स्टेटमेंट.
सारे अच्छे हैं. Confidence in myself for me.
So you have to affirm yourself daily that I am confident. I am super confident in my abilities. Yes, Satinder ji, you tell me.
विनिंग एटीट्यूड सर.
Winning attitude. So you need to say to yourself, I am a winner. I am a winner.
I will
And
be
there is one phone which is having this number 8641467. So he or she can also express her statement of attitude, positive attitude. And please introduce yourself also. And also express your statement of positive attitude. You can type on the chat. If audio is not working, please type on the chat box so that we can all learn from each other. Okay, let's move further. Now let's see this statement. When you have these, where could you be, say, in 2 years, 5 years from now? When you are able to apply all these attitudes in your life, what do you visualize? Where you could be in next 2 years, 5 years? Yes, anybody?
I will be able to achieve my goals, and I'll be in the top of the industry
Wow.
in
And
my
when
profession.
this happens, how will you feel, Achalji?
I will be happy
Wow. Very nice.
and fulfilled.
Applause for you, sir. Satyendra ji, what do you think?
जैसा सर ने बताया इन्होंने कि सेम चीज जैसे आपने मेरे को पहले भी सजेस्ट किया था कि आप एक बार जाके बोलिए तो सही, तो कि आप यू हैव एबिलिटी टू हैंडल। तो मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला, मैं सोच रहा था और मैंने सोच रहा था कि मैं जाके ठीक से बात करूंगा इसके रिगार्डिंग। इवन उसके पहले भी मतलब विजुअलाइजेशन में इतनी पावर है कि हमें ये ट्रैक पे हम आ गए। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जिस तरह से आपने बताया, हमने इसको राइट करके रख देने हैं और डेली विजुअलाइज में करेंगे तो हम शायद जो 5 या 2 इयर्स और के बाद जो गोल लिखेंगे वो मे बी 100% अचीव होगा।
Wow, amazing.
Yes.
So we have already discussed this. So these are some of the findings of our past participants, because this will also motivate us. Let's read it. एक बार इसको mind में read कर लेते हैं. I found the program to be refreshingly different and reconditioning the existing mindset. I found it, and it will go a long way in improving not only the productivity of the person, but also will give a new meaning to the quality of life itself. So entire quality of life improves. Let's understand another sharing here. The flexibility of taking the program digitally helped me fit it with my work schedule. Yeah, of course. And the website made it easy and fun to use on both mobile and desktop. LMI audio tools come in handy to keep up with lessons during my travel time. So you can do this program very conveniently. While traveling also you can listen so that spaced repetition can happen. So we will be sharing the audios and videos which will help you to practice it again and again. So in the coming sessions, let's understand the roadmap, because आज का session तो एक तरीके से bonus session है. So next 6 sessions you will be having, where we'll be discussing all these attitudes that we have talked about today, the entire process. One session will be there per fortnight on a pre-decided day and time. That is, we'll be having this Saturday. We have already decided Saturday, either 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. will be starting. So next 2 sessions will be 5 p.m. which you can note, all of you can note down. Yeah.
If I have the opportunity, I will request you to keep it 6 p.m. if possible. Otherwise, I'm okay.
That's okay. So we can next session we can start at 5:30.
Okay.
So let's start at 5:30, and then further we can see.
Yeah, because I am getting the disturbance in office if I sit here.
No problem.
I have attended 5-6 calls.
Yeah. So 12th next session will be on the 12th, as it was conveyed to you. 12th ko we'll have at 5:30.
I will be thankful.
And before that, you will be getting your login ID access and also the webinar video, so that you can practice and you can start doing the work. Okay. And what will help you in identifying your dreams, converting them into dreams to goals, and then the powerful tools will help you to have smart actions. And above all, it will help you in reinventing yourself because these attitudes are already there within you. ये सारे attitudes हमारे अंदर हैं.
है, लेकिन उसको reinvent करना है. We know
Yes.
everything.
Yes.
We know, but
Yes.
we are no. These are not in practice.
Yes. Yes.
We are in a comfort zone.
Yes, you got that point of lack of practice. Absolutely. So we will give you the attitudes that matter. We'll help you in building positivity, motivation, and persistence, as well as, very important, will help you in tracking your progress through these weeks of your lives. And moreover, whenever you will apply this process, you will get what you want in your life. So in future sessions, there are no lectures, only thought-provoking and inspiring action workshops would be there, which will help you in getting your dreams true. Let's move further. So this slide I'll share with you the next 6 sessions, the things that we'll cover. We have already shared, I think, with some of you, those who have registered for this program. Yeah, so all these things we'll discuss. And then there are some more benefits, like 1 year leadership membership free. That is Leadership Tribe membership that we have just opened on the Facebook just few weeks back. It will be a very powerful community for all the business leaders. सतेंद्र जी, मैंने आपको लिंक ऑलरेडी शेयर किया हुआ आपके ग्रुप में, so please join that group. And Achal ji will be also sharing with you.
Okay, please.
Yes. Then you will have, after doing the program, we'll also have, not will stop there. We'll also do the quarterly master classes for the review.
Yeah.
So 2 महीने के बाद ये stop नहीं हो जाएगा. You will be having benefit of space repetition. So my son is also there here now. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Then basic, we are also giving you one special course developed by our team, which is basic course of financial intelligence. So all our participants, current participants, will be getting this. So Satendra ji will be also sharing the link with you. You can log in and you can enjoy this basic course of financial intelligence, which will help you to improve your financial planning and also getting that positive prosperity consciousness. Because when we talk about attitudes, one important consciousness is required is prosperity consciousness. And this program, this bonus course will help you in getting this prosperity consciousness. And moreover, you will be getting this world-class online platform, and I will be coaching throughout these next 2 months. You will be getting 1 year access to Attitude is Everything program. It's not just for 2 months. You are getting 1 year access so that you can repeatedly do this. And we will be also adding you to our unique WhatsApp group, which will help you in reinforcement of the learnings. Having fun is very important. So our programs, our pedagogy is such that it's more of interactive. But yeah, it will also force you to think. It will also force you to bring out your challenges. It will also force you to bring out what is missing in your life. And that can be sometimes painful. But yeah, of course, with your positive attitude and with the technology that we would be providing, you would be taking care of those challenges. And you would be having a lot of fun while reinventing and rediscovering yourself. So your interest, your time, your open-mindedness will help you. And commitment to do the assignments in time, commitment to do the things which are required to achieve your dreams in time will be helpful. And let me show you another concept which will help you, which is we have got 2 circles. One is circle of influence, another is circle of concern. Circle of influence is your circle. It is the circle in which you have control, things which you can control. That is circle of influence. Like you can control your habits, you can control your thoughts, you can control your actions, you can control your attitudes, you can control your time, you can control the work that you have to do. that is your COI. COC, circle of concern, which you can't control. You can't control the external environment. You can't control the traffic. Can you?
No.
Yeah. Even DCP might not control all the times. So we can't control the corona. We can't. But we can
Yes.
take safeguards. What's in our hand? Safety
We can
is in
put
hand.
the mask.
Yeah, we can put the mask. Absolutely. So positive people, they focus on COI. They
Yeah.
focus on proactive actions. We need to ask ourselves where we are. Are we normal? Are we proactive? Are we negative? Because proactive people will take positive actions. Positive actions will lead to more results, more success. And that will also lead to bigger circle. Our circle of influence will be much more bigger. So these are the things that we can do something about as we discussed. So this circle we need to always remember. Rather than being reactive, let us focus on what we can control. And that will lead to increase of circle of influence. Like, let's take an example here. Another example. So suppose somebody is in sales. He wants to connect with new prospects. One way is to call anybody. That we say as cold calling. Another way is to call to whom you know, or somebody else might be knowing and you are calling. That is known as referrals. So which is more effective? Referral or
Referral
cold
will-
calling? Yeah, referral. In
But
fact,
there is a limit for referral.
yeah.
If
Okay,
you call anybody, you are having the word to call. If you
Yes.
are having the referral, only few people are there.
So I'll come to that point, but let's understand first about referral. Referral is what? Your circle of influence.
Yeah.
You can influence them because there is some kind of trust factor, some
Yeah.
connection is there. That's why effectiveness of referral is much higher. It is 5 times higher than cold calling. I am not saying we should avoid cold calling, but yeah, let's understand the effectiveness of circle of influence. Let's understand the effectiveness of power of referrals. So that's an example that we need to keep in our mind, that if we work in circle of influence, that has more power. Are you understanding? Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so always remember this point. So let's move forward. This is another powerful thing. The strength of the chain. The chain is only as strong as its,
Weakest point.
yes, weakest
Weakest
point. And if we don't work on the weak point, the chain will not
Broken.
survive. It will
Yeah.
broke. In the same way, if we don't work on weaker aspects of our attitudes will break. We will not be able to leverage our strengths. We will not be able to leverage what we are, what is our potential. We will not be able to achieve our dreams that we have set in. And this program will help you to strengthen your strengths and to remove the weakest links so that you can achieve your potential. You can realize your potential. So that is the power of working on the weakest link. And again, positive attitude is everything. So yeah, so we will be starting on 12th, and the next session will be interesting for all of us. I hope the concept of attitude is everything is clear
Yes, yes.
with
Very well.
today's presentation. And any thoughts, any sharings?
We are only 4 people.
Yeah, because this is a new batch, so we have just started with, as we did not wanted to delay, so we wanted to get it started. Okay, so it's good because we are starting and we are we are marching ahead to pursue our dreams.
What we have to do in between by 12th?